What's going on, you guys? Welcome to Lantu Ebike channel. Today we are going to bring you a step-through city bike. The reason we're focusing on it is because they have become more and more popular for both men and women riders because they are easy to get off and get on, and there is just less chance of injury. Let's check it out. The powerful rear hub motor from industry leader Bafang delivers amazing performance in all pedal assist and pure throttle conditions. The rechargeable battery pack is 624 watt-hour. UL safety certified and provides a range of up to 40 kilometers. You've got the disc brake in the front and rear and integrated lights. Advanced display gives you everything you need to know. Use the 5-stage pedal assist system, PAS, to give you added power while pedaling the bike. Push the thumb throttle forward to propel the bike without pedaling. Don't forget we can do customized service cause we are an OEM factory. Do not like this video and subscribe our channel or leave comments below. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.